The word for today, all you'll ever need. Pour out your hearts to Him, for God is our refuge. Psalm 62 verse 8. Life can feel overwhelming when you're responsible for mortgage or rent payments, maintenance bills, clothes for the family, escalating food and fuel expenses, university fees, plus the reality of preparing for your retirement. And the pressure is even greater if you're underemployed or unemployed. Where can you turn? Surrounded by enemies, David turned to God. My soul find rest in God. My hope comes from Him. Truly He is my rock and my salvation. He is my fortress. I will not be shaken. Psalm 62, 5-6. Where does your expectation lie? In the hope for an improved economy or job market, or the promise of better times to come? David's hope was more certain. He expected the answer to be found in the unchanging character and faithfulness of God. When anxiety arises, we sometimes resort to our BGWI list. But God, what if? We focus on our fears, feel inadequate, and give in to despair. Being aware of your needs is being responsible, but being overwhelmed by them is evidence you're looking to the wrong source for answers. George MacDonald said, "We look upon God as our last and feeblest resource. We only go to Him when we have nowhere else to go. And then we learn that the storms of life have driven us not upon the rocks, but into the desired haven." Remember David? My soul find rest in God. My hope comes from Him. God is your adequate source. Since He gave us His Son, you have all the evidence you need that He will also freely give us all things. Romans 8:32. That is the word for today.